Coming up next, it is the U cars. We got a red car, the number 2, Curtis Lanier, a white car, number 58, Summer Sullivan, and a blue car, number 11, Abby Jolly. Lanier is the winningest driver in the New River All-American Speedway era, period. More wins than anyone here. Abby Jolly has a win this season. She picked one up about a month or two ago. It was under controversial circumstances, but it was a win nonetheless for her. And that was her first career win of any kind. Summer Sullivan has won in a junior mini cup out at Carteret County Speedway. She's got a handful of starts here in a U car, looking for her first podium finish at this track in a U car. And seeing there's 3 cars, she's going to get a podium finish, so that's a given because there are 3 cars in the race. So it's going to be this. Will it be Curtis Lanier in the 2? Will it be Summer in the 58, or will it be Abby in the 11? They're going to get the 1 to go signal. They're going to double up here, and we'll be racing in once again in just a moment here, New River All-American Speedway. Getting ready to come to the green flag. Pace car, the National Dodge pace car is off. And here we go, we're underway. Abby Jolly taking a quick look to the inside of Curtis Lanier. Lanier holds on the outside. Summer Sullivan. Abby's got a lot of confidence coming into this one after that win a few weeks ago out here. She's hanging right with Curtis. Curtis in a 2. Abby in the 11. 1 down, 14 to go. Abby taking a look up high. Nothing there. She's going to lose a little ground. Curtis holds on for the moment. Laps to go. Abby Jolly taking a look to the inside. 12 to go. Curtis holds on with the defensive line. Once again, closing in, ready to mount another charge. 10 laps to go. It's Curtis Lanier in the red number 2, Abby Jolly in the blue number 11. Summer Sullivan about 3/4 of a lap, half a lap to 3/4 of a lap or so behind these 2. They may end up catching her to put her a lap down before this one's over. 9 to go. Abby Jolly hanging right with him. 8 to go. Abby with another look to the inside. Curtis with the defensive line holds for the moment. But Abby Jolly has peeked that nose in a few times to let him know she is there. And tell you what, when they catch this 58 car, that could be pivotal. Summer's going to get out of the way and give these guys room to race. But if these 2 are side by side, there's nowhere that Summer would be able to go. close enough to make a move yet. To go as they're closing in on Sullivan. You might have read about Summer in the Jacksonville Daily News. For the moment, Abby Jolly might be setting this up for a one lap, try to get by him. Summer's going to move to the inside here, gives way, allows these two, gives them plenty of room to race. Abby Jolly closes up now within a car length or so. 3 to go. Doesn't take the look there. She's going to ride right in Curtis's wake. Loses a little bit of ground coming off 2, got a bit tight. Through 3 and 4, she's going to gain some of that ground back. Looks like she's got a little oversteer coming out of 2. It's been the issue. She's been able to get into 1 here with 2 to go, but when she comes out of 2, it's just a little bit of oversteer, a little tight. That time she's got a better line. White flag is out. Here we go. For the win, who's it going to be? Is it going to be Curtis Lanier in the 2? Or is it going to be Abby Jolly in the 11? Curtis with a great entry into turn 1. Jolly real tight off of 2, and that might be it. Through 3 and 4, the winningest driver in New River All-American Speedway, trying to get another one. Jolly tries to challenge, can't get there, and Curtis Lanier adds 1 more to his impressive record-setting win total. Center with another, Curtis Lanier. Hey Steve, I think he needs you to bring your car out and race him. Curtis, welcome home, man.
It seems good to be back. I feel like it's been a while. Got in a little accident a couple weeks ago out here. Got her put back together. Had a little trouble in practice with it, not handling good, but we made a few adjustments, got it back right. It feels like the same old car again in the race, so it was good. It was a great race. Abby sure had my numbers for sure. I had to run pretty good. I hate that Cornell car messed up, but I'd like to thank all my family and friends, all the fans that come out and support us. Intercoastal Crane Works, Miller Auto Supply, everybody support Lanier Racing. Thank you.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
Curtis Lanier coming away with the win. Abby, man, the confidence since that win a few weeks ago seemed like it was there. Seemed like the confidence showed there. Just not quite enough there. Looked like the car was a little tight out too. Is that the case?
Yeah, absolutely. Something, we're definitely going to work on, go back. I really want to beat Curtis. I look up to him a lot as a driver, so I know he's one of the best out here in this class, so that's just something I'm pushing for. I got to thank my sponsor, New River Harley-Davidson, Clarko Construction, and BMK Ventures for coming on board this season.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Going to come down here, third place finisher, Summer Sullivan. So you've now got a few races under your belt here. You got the podium finish. What do you got to do to get this car to be able to get up and compete with the 2 here?
I just have to practice more.
All right, any sponsors you want to thank?
Furniture for Less, Firm Insulation, Sully Motorsports, Pinnacle Tax, and Co., and Jesus.
All right, Summer Sullivan, congratulations. Third place finish. NASCAR Advanced Auto Parts Weekly Series late models coming up next here at New River All-American Speedway. And then the B-52 Bomber Car Battle. If you enjoyed the action tonight, remember you can go back and watch these races later this week on YouTube.